Hi guys, so I'm here at Treasure Factory, Nerima. There's a sign. There you go. Alright guys, let's go and take a look at this area. This is for toys and hobby. Got a lot of figurines. Popeye. Popeye and Olive. Oh, that's a vintage Barbie. 31,000. Oh, this is so cute. Wouldn't hurt. It's a Hummel. You know, you can get this and get some drugs. Oh. So I guess here is for the items that is a bit cheaper side. I feel like I've seen this before when I was small. Ooh, Star Wars. Okay. So some guy's picture. Hiroyuki. Is it a USB of Ultraman? Got more figurines there. There's Peko. So cute. Peko. Oh my gosh, but it's pretty expensive. We got birthday Peko too. How much is this one? This one is 1,000 yen. Actually, it's actually reasonable price, but it's just that I don't know if I wanna spend that much money on a toy, you know. And it's still new, like still in the box and everything. Wish I got a lot of money and a lot of storage. Oh my god, this one is so cute. Anytime with Peko and Poco. Oh, what is this? I guess this is for guys. Is it for guys or no? It's like a mix of everything. Skirts and everything. See this skirt? The material is really nice and it's from GU. And it's only 580 yen. Damn. Condition is nice too. Like it looks very much like new. So I found this really nice skirt. And it is a corduroy skirt. See, it's from GU and it's only 280 yen. Damn. Then I found this top. This top also 280 yen. This is, I don't know what material it is, but it's very soft and cooling. I'm probably gonna buy this mini lunchbox. It's only 100 yen. So yeah, not bad, you know. Oh, what's this? I was thinking of buying this coat because it's really affordable. Like, I don't know, it's just really nice and it's new too. It has the tag on it. Oh, sorry. No, it's not new. It doesn't have a tag on it, but it does look very much like new. It's in this green color, which is, it's just a unique color, but it's like 1,500. But there's like 20% discount. See, I'm still thinking of getting this or not because I mean, where else am I gonna wear it? But I'm planning to wear it here in Japan until my trip is done, and then I would probably sell it in my country because even at this price, it's a very affordable price, and I'm pretty sure I can sell it pretty easily. I don't know, just a thought. Oh, damn. So this is sale. This is the sale section. Got pants and skirts and everything. And then we got the 280 yen section. Let's go over there. So I got my what's it called? Cashmere. I guess it's a cashmere shirt here at the 280 yen. Oh, look at this. This is also 280 yen. This skirt right here. They got tons of stuff, and I thought when they sell it at 280 yen, I thought it's going to be like super duper bad, like it has a huge hole in the back, but no, they're really good condition as well. They're really good design, good condition. Like I don't know why they sell it at this price. I'm basically stealing from them. Let me see this one. This is actually pretty nice, but I think I got tons of stuff that looks like this, so I don't think I want one. Okay, so I was interested in this, and I tried it, but it doesn't look good on me, so put it back. At this point, I'm not really interested in buying some and sell them at my home. Like, I'm not really interested in that, but we'll see, you know, never say never. Okay, they got tons of cardigans and jackets, shirts, and coats. The coats are really nice. Yeah, the coats are very nicely priced, and because I saw the prices here, I was like, why am I buying mine? I bought mine at 9,000 yen. I bought mine at 9,000 yen. It's new, but I don't know, here, even though it's secondhand, it's only like 1,000 something, 1,500 or something. It's like, what? I should have gone here. After I landed in Haneda, I should have gone here. 580. Oh, this is cute. This looks like Where's Waldo kind of what is it called? Cardigan. Oh, this one is nice too. It has a really nice material, you know, like it's strong, sturdy. How much is this? Go hang this up real quick and see how much is this. Like, my money is just kept being spent on used item. Oh, 3,000. No wonder it's nice. 3,000. Actually, 3,000 is not expensive, but it's just that, I don't know, I'm looking for something that's more like 1,000 and below. I'm a very cheap person, you guys. Oh, I'm pretty sure this is Muji. I can tell from the material. And it is Mujirushi. Yep, 580 yen. Damn. But I don't like the color. Guys, look what I found. A Harry Potter coat. I'm not a fan of Harry Potter, but I'm pretty sure there are so many people who would die for this. Hufflepuff, by the way. 6,000 yen. Again, not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, here in the men's section, they got tons of sneakers. See? For Blanche, I have never heard of that brand before. What is this? It's Onitsuka. Yeah, it is. 3,480 for this one. Actually, they all have a really nice condition. Just a little bit dirty, but that's okay. Like, it's a normal kind of dirty. Oh, this is nice too. Yeah. How much is? Okay, this one is 5,000. Okay, got lots of jeans too. Okay, so this is the branded stuff corner. This Gucci bag is 68,000. That one's 24,000. It has a discoloration in the middle. That old Coach wallets, 2,000. Oh, Cartier pen. Nice. I like Cartier. I think they're pretty nice. Oh, this Coach bag is 7,000. Again, it's actually not that bad. Like, yeah, it's not a bad price at all. It's pretty affordable, but I don't know. saving money too, and in this trip. Oh, so many LV. 36,000, 35,000. Yeah, it's not bad at all. And it looks like they're in pretty good condition too. 50,000. Got tons of wallet. So there's more branded bags here as well. I'm not sure why they're not in inside of a glass showcase. Wow, this is cute. I like the color. 7,000. It really is not bad at all. 7,000 is like 700,000 in my country. That's very good price. Oh, do I want to get that? Do I want to get that? There's lots of wallet. Oh, Kate Spade wallet. 2,000. Oh, this bag is cute. It's pink. And it's clean too. Look, they got perfumes as well, and they are used perfumes. I think they're definitely original. They're just used. So we got Shiseido, 7,000. Okay, so this is the Coco Mademoiselle that I bought yesterday. So, but the one that I bought was just an Eau de Parfum. This one is Eau de Parfum Intense. So with this size, sorry, not that one. This one, mine is 50 milliliters. So the one that I bought yesterday was 5,300. Just Eau de Parfum. This one, the Intense one, is 8,000. Yeah, it's used. The bigger one is 10,000. It's only like 2,000 difference. They're the same kind too. A lot more worse if you get this one. Damn. Okay. Gahan, 12,000. We got mini ones as well. Miss Dior, 3,000. Dior Addict, 7,000. Encanto, and I guess this is like mini collections too. Yeah, tons of perfumes. If you don't mind used perfumes, then yeah, you should get that here. You know what, guys? On this second or third and fourth thought, I think I'm not gonna get the coat because I'm planning to buy a coat for someone else next week. So I think my luggage is gonna be full, so I have to let you go, even though you're such a beautiful color. Okay, let's see. This is the final list of items that I'm gonna get. So I got this tiny bag, Chow Tokyo collection. I don't know what it is. It's only 100 yen, so I'm taking it. Got this bag too. It's also very cute. It was 100 yen. This corduroy skirt, 280. This, I don't know, is it cashmere shirt, also 280. Mini lunchbox, 100 yen. A Lacoste pink socks, 280. Yep, that's all I'm getting. Alright, you guys, so I got my stuff. I bought my stuff here at Treasure Factory Nerima. When I was paying, I saw some people came here to sell their stuff, so I guess this is where they got their stuff, they got their supply. And yeah, I'm gonna head back home now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.